Hi, you will be able to see in this video how to do a loan amortization with fixed principal. So this is a template that you will find in the blackboard that I prepared. I'm just going to demonstrate how we fill in those cells with the fixed principal. So what you have here is first the input. We have the principals, which is $4,000 that you will be borrowing. The term is 4 years. The interest rate is 5% per year. And I have this table created already. All we need to do is fill in the blanks. So first, let's start from the beginning. The beginning balance of year 1 is apparently $4,000. That's how much you have borrowed in the beginning. And since we are doing the fixed principal, that means the principal payment that we have is going to be the same for every year. So 4 years, and we have $4,000 of principal. So every year the principal payment is going to be 4,000 divided by 4. So that is going to be the same for every year. And so we have this part filled in. And let's look at the year 1. So the beginning balance is $4,000. We paid $1,000 for our principal. And apparently the ending balance, what we have left is 4,000 minus 1,000, so $3,000. How much interest we are going to pay for the year? It will be $4,000, which we borrow, which is our beginning balance in the first year, times the interest rate, so $200. So our total payment would be 1,000 plus 200. Okay, so we finished everything for the first year. Now we move to the second year. The second year's beginning balance will be the same as the ending balance of the first year. How much we owe for the interest? That's going to be $3,000 times the interest rate, so $150. Total payment is going to be 1,000 plus the interest we paid, and the ending balance would be, the beginning balance is $3,000. We paid off a principal payment that's $1,000. So the ending balance is $2,000. Now make sure that ending balance, you only subtract the principal payment from the beginning balance. You do not subtract the total payment, because out of the total payment, $150 is the interest payment, is not the principal. Okay, and this $2,000 will be the beginning balance of the third year. And in the third year, the interest payment is going to be the beginning balance times the interest rate, so $100. Total payment is going to be principal payment plus the interest payment, and your ending balance is going to be $2,000 minus $1,000, and this $1,000 would be the beginning balance of the last year. And in the last year, the interest payment is going to be $1,000 times 5%, and the total payment is going to be $1,000 plus $50, and your ending balance is 1,000 minus 1,000. That's 0. So we can do a bit of calculations for the total. In total, you have paid a sum of principal that's $4,000, exactly the $4,000 we have borrowed. And the interest payment is going to be this much, $500. And the total payment is going to be $4,500.